Digital Rights Management. Introduction to DRM. What is Digital Rights Management? Digital Rights Management is a class of access control technologies that are used by hardware manufacturers, publishers, copyright holders, and individuals with intent to limit the use of digital content and device after sale. DRM is any technology that inhibits use of digital content that are not desired or intended by the content provider. DRM also includes specific instances of digital works or devices. Companies such as Amazon, AT&T, America Online, Apple, BBC, Microsoft, Electronic Arts, and Sony uses the digital rights management. DRM and documents. Enterprise Digital Management Rights, or EDRM, is the application of DRM technology to the control of access to corporate documents such as Microsoft Word, PDF, AutoCAD files, emails, and internet web pages rather than to the control of consumer media. Common DRM techniques. Restrictive licensing agreements. The access to digital materials, copyright, and public domain is controlled. Some restrictive licenses are imposed on consumers as a condition of entering a website or when they download a software. Encryption, scrambling, and expressive material and embedding of a tag. This technology is designed to control access and reproduction of online information. This includes backup copies for personal use. DRM framework. The ideal DRM framework is flexible, entirely transparent to the user, and pretty complex stuff for a computer program to crack. First generation DRM software sought merely to control copying. But the second generation DRM schemes, on the other hand, seek to control viewing, copying, printing, and altering and everything else you can possibly do with a digital content. A digital rights management scheme operates on three levels. The DRM technology. Companies like Content Guard, Digmac, Intertrust, and Macrovision sell automated DRM solutions that includes everything you need to set up a DRM scheme. Content Guard's complete DRM toolkit lets copyright holders create and enforce licenses for their digital products and services, including everything from movie downloads to software use to website access. The Right Express software uses MPEG-REL, which is Rights Expression Language, and guides the copyright holder through a process of defining a piece of content, defining a user, and defining the usage rights. The copyright holder can set access levels and encryption modes for the content, create a custom interface that lets the user obtain content based on those settings, develop an enforcement model that verifies user identification and track the use of the content.